Hi everybody, welcome to the Westfield Water Resource Recovery Facility. I'm gonna just pan around real quick so you can see the whole thing in the background there. We're gonna take a quick tour through and I'll show you all about this. We're gonna learn about this in bioprocesses next week, so pretty interesting stuff. And I'll kind of narrate as I go. So these are primary clarifiers. This is what happens as the very first step of our treatment process. And this is where sort of big settling happens. We don't talk about it a lot in bioprocesses class, but you will if you take a physical chemical processes class. Next up, we have our biological reactor. This is where all of the fun action happens. So the flow comes in here and it kind of flows down, and then it makes around the bend, and then it goes down there, and then it goes one more pass. This is called a plug flow style reactor. And again, we'll talk about this in class. So you can see some kind of mixing in this first part. Basically, we're giving the bugs anaerobic conditions, and this is where we have phosphorus release and carbon uptake. We'll learn about that a little bit. I'll do one lesson on it. And also some denitrification happens there. And then over here you see all this kind of roiling fine bubble. So this is where aerobic treatment happens. And we're giving all of the bacteria in there a bunch of air, and what happens is a number of things. Ammonia is oxidized to nitrite and then nitrate. We also have phosphorus uptake that happens here. And of course, our BOD or biochemical oxygen demand is also consumed in this part of the reactor. So after this, you can see these three passes of our plug flow reactor. The flow kind of comes out. You can see it spilling over there. And then it goes into our secondary clarifiers here. So these secondary clarifiers are where the biomass is settled out, and then a portion of it gets returned back to the beginning of this reactor. Pretty cool stuff. So that's it for now. I might take a few other videos as we go along, but I wanted to just start off with kind of an overview of the facility.